This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: charged phone, location and storage permissions, and offline map area downloaded. Open Handy GPS and allow location access. Once done, calibrate the compass with a figure-8 motion so readings are accurate. Next, choose your map layer and set desired units, meters or feet, because correct units prevent distance errors. Make sure background location and Bluetooth, if using external receiver, are enabled so the app can maintain stable satellite fixes as you proceed. Once your map is ready, create waypoints by long pressing locations and immediately name them so you don't forget context. Add photos or notes for later reference. Then use the routing tool to select travel mode, walking, driving, or custom bearing, because different modes produce different routes and ETA estimates. Start track recording and configure sampling interval and auto pause to balance accuracy versus battery drain. Doing so ensures you capture the path you actually take for reliable playback and export later. To finish, stop recording and immediately export your tracks as GPX or KML so you retain a portable copy. Save to cloud storage for backup and share links or offline map packages with teammates. Make sure timestamps and metadata are correct before closing the app, since that preserves sequence and precision. If things go wrong, try toggling GPS, restarting Handy GPS, or reconnecting an external receiver. These steps resolve most fix loss or permission issues quickly and get you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.